In September 2021 we bought our current motorhome, a Pilote P650C. At the time of producing this video, the motorhome is just 27 months old. We wanted to talk about the extent of the problems we've had with it since we purchased it. Looking at forums, lots of people have problems with new and used vehicles, but these are ours. Let's begin with a few minor ones. We had to replace the light fitting above the bed because it flickered when it was turned on. Also, these lights down the side of the travel seats were not lit as they should have been. The fridge door catch did not operate correctly either. But here's some more serious items that cause concern. The shower tray developed 2 cracks and had to be replaced. The drainage for the sink in the washroom did not work correctly and had to be adjusted on 2 occasions. The track that holds the Tambour door had screws which were far too short. The clips that hold the foldable bathroom had to be replaced. They were either non-existent or did not work properly. There's nothing to stop the mattress on the island bed from moving forward when you were driving. Most of the blown air heating vents were not connected correctly to the pipework, so the air did not circulate. All of the Habitation windows had to be sealed from the outside on each of their 4 sides because they leaked when it rained heavily. The leisure battery, although it had been checked on numerous occasions, did not hold its charge correctly and had to be replaced free of charge. The original control panel was found to be faulty and was replaced with another of a different kind. A vehicle battery booster to the alternator was fitted, and we also use this device as the vehicle battery does not hold its charge over 12 days. The cab has had to be resealed on the outside. Both of the Habitation doors have been fully replaced because there was water ingress. The inside lining of the gas locker door has been replaced due to water ingress. Supports holding the island bed were found to have no screws on one side. And this year the Habitation step is due to be replaced due to water ingress. Mechanically speaking, we had a problem with the power steering, which failed after 12 months and had to be repaired. So these are some of the issues that we've had with the Pilote in the last 2 years. It's a real shame because a lot of the fixtures and fittings are of good quality. It's just the way that they are put together. We found that a lot of the screws, whether they be self-tapping or countersunk, seem to be rather short and could do with probably being a little bit longer, allowing them to hold into their fittings a lot better. But generally speaking, it's just disappointing that we've had so many different things go wrong with the vehicle. But it's just the nature of the beast. No matter which brand you buy, no matter how much you spend, you can end up with minor or major problems. It's just because there's so many different things going on with these vehicles, and they are quite complex. Have a good 2024 and enjoy your travels, and until next time, bye for now.